Today is gonna be a big day. I'm going to call it. Yesterday it was very hot. Scorching heat of the sun really got to me, made me very exhausted. But today is quite a good day. You see the mountains. It's fogging up there. I think it's very cold out there. Now on my way to Furniture City to get my bed. My bed. I'm still quite impressed with Jesse. You know the guy yesterday where I described him as acting like Spider-Man? He was fixing the compressor of the aircon. I'm still impressed by him. Yesterday, while waiting for Joms for about an hour, we were just talking, and we talked about a lot of things. We talked about, and most of the things that we talked about were topics that were common to us, like for example anime and religion. We have the same views, and our wives. We have similar wives. We are both Catholics, Jesse and I, and our wives are not. My wife is an Adventist, and his wife is a Baptist, and they are really similar in terms of how they are really devout Adventists or Baptists, and most especially how well read he is. We were talking about the books by Dan Brown, about Illuminati, about the Catholic Church and its secrets. We talked about Mary Magdalene and his relationship with Jesus. And the possible heir of Jesus. It was very well read. I had to keep up. And what's more surprising is he is only a high school graduate. Amazing how books can do. I am now in Furniture City. I'm waiting for my items to be released. The bed and the mattress. Where is it? I have a bed. Before going home and fixing my bed, I am going to pick up my good friend Bose in his workplace there in UP SRP. Tried making a time-lapse video using this 360 rotating device. It isn't that beautiful. It's too cloudy outside. Still a beautiful day though. This guy, it took him an hour before arriving at UP. I waited there for an hour, which resulted in some, albeit amazing, if I may say, time lapses. It was okay time lapses. It's starting to rain out, so we'll the ropes here are very, how did they do this? That was heavy, extremely heavy. Pivot, deliver, pivot, pivot. I'm starting to doubt the dimensions of this house relative to the dimensions of the bed that I just bought. Hopefully it fits. Hopefully we can do it. We have already fixed the external part, and we have a very minor, very slight major problem, and this is, look oh no, oh no, the bed I bought is too big. I've finished the installation of the bed. Thank you for your help, Mr. MBA Master. We have finished it, and we have solved the problem. We have solved the problem of the door. And what we did is, the door can no longer pass through there. It will just stop. So the way we go to the terrace is like this. Cannot go through. Yay! And there's the terrace. We're done with the bed. We're done with the first two furnishes. I dropped off Mr. Bus here at his school where he works. He works at somewhere there. So, bro, thank you. Bye, yours.